Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings an alluring motor vehicle experience. Are you confused about which car insurance coverage is right for you? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we are going to talk about the differences between comprehensive and third-party car insurance. Car insurance is a must-have for every driver. It protects you financially in case of an accident, theft, or damage to your car. Without insurance, you could be left with a hefty bill that can put a strain on your finances. So, what does car insurance cover? There are different types of coverage, but the most common ones are liability, collision, and comprehensive. Liability insurance covers the cost of injuries or damage to others if you're at fault in an accident. Collision insurance covers the cost of repairs or replacement if your car is damaged in a collision, and comprehensive insurance covers damage from things like theft or natural disasters. Let's start with comprehensive car insurance. It provides coverage for a wide range of incidents, including accidental damage, theft, and even natural disasters. So, whether you accidentally scratch your car or it gets damaged in a storm, a comprehensive insurance has got your back. On the other hand, third-party car insurance offers limited coverage. It only protects you from claims made by third parties involved in an accident caused by you. It won't cover any damages to your own vehicle. The decision between comprehensive and third-party insurance depends on your needs and budget. If you have a brand new car or it's a significant investment, comprehensive insurance would be a wise choice. Comprehensive insurance pays for repairs or replacements, ensuring your car is well taken care of, giving you peace of mind. However, if your car is older and not of significant value, third-party insurance might be a more affordable option. It's important to note that third-party insurance only covers damages to others, leaving you responsible for your own vehicle repairs. But don't worry, if you're unsure about which coverage to choose, reach out to an insurance agent. They'll guide you based on your circumstances and preferences. Remember, choosing the right car insurance coverage is crucial for your financial security. So take your time, assess your needs, and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching our video on car insurance. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Drive safe, everyone.